So now we'll see some examples on median, how to find out the median of the following data. So first we'll write down the question. So accordingly, in the question it is given that we need to find out the median of following data. So how to find out the median of the following data? So data given as 25, 34, 31, 23, 22, 26, 35, 28, 20 and 32. So this is the data given. So accordingly, what we need to do, we need to find out the median in this case. So as I already said that whenever we need to find out the median, first we need to arrange the data in the ascending order, descending order. So first we arrange the data in the ascending order. So the minimum value here is 20. So we will start with 20. Then after 20 it will be 22, then 23, then 25, then 26, then 28, then 31, then 32, then 34 and then 35. So as we have arranged the data in the ascending order, now as we will see what will be the value of n, that is how many observations are there. So if you count this all observations, you can find out the number of observations here are 10. So as we have already seen, whenever the n is even, so how to find out the median in that case is, so median will be n by 2 observation plus n by 2 plus 1 observation divided by 2. So we need to find out the median in this case. So n by 2 observation, that is 10 by 2 observation or 5th observation plus n by 2, that is 5 plus 1, 6th observation divided by 2. So 5th plus 6th observation divided by 2. So as you can see here that 5th observation will be 26 and 6th observation is 28. So we need to find out the mean of the 5th and 6th observation, that is 26 plus 28 divided by 2. So when we solve it, we will get answer as 27. So median in this case will be equal to 27. So this is the way to find out the median. Now we will see one more example based on this median. First we write down the question is the median of observations, that is 11, 12, 14, 18, x plus 2, x plus 4, 30, 32, 35 and 41 arranged ascending order is 24. So find value of x. So in the question it is given that the observations which are given are already arranged in the ascending order and median of those observations is given as 24. So accordingly we need to find out the value of x. So if you can count down the number of observations here, we can see that the number of observations again here is 10. That is the value of n is 10. So again the median will be equal to n by 2, that is 10 by 2 5th observation plus n by 2 plus 1, that is 6th observation divided by 2. So median here given as 24 is equal to 5th observation. Now here is x plus 2 and 6th is x plus 4. So 5th is x plus 2 plus 6th is x plus 4 divided by 2. Now we will solve it. What we will get is 48 is equal to 2x plus 6. And now if we further solve it, what we will get here is we will take 6 on the left hand side, so it will become minus 6. So it will become 42 is equal to 2x. Therefore, value of x is equal to 21. So in this way, by using the formula for median that we have seen, we can find out whatever will be asked. Like if the observation is asked, we can easily find out the observation, missing observation. And if the median is asked, then also we can find out the median. And now we'll see one more example on this, so it will become more clear in case of median. So first we'll write down the question, that is question given as median of following data is given as median of following data, that is first we write down the data, it is 19, 25, 59, 48, 35, 31, 30, 32 and 51. So we need to find out the median of this following data. Now the second part of the question says if 25 is replaced by 52, what will be the new median? So in this question it is given that if one observation, that is 25, is replaced by 52, then in that case what will be the new median? So first we will see the first part of the question, which says we need to find out the median of the following observation. So first we arrange the data in the ascending order. So when we arrange it in ascending order, it will be like 19 come first, then after 19 it will be 25, then 30, then 31, then 32, then 35, then 48, then 51 and then 59. So we have arranged this data in ascending order. So now as you can count here, the number of observations, that is the value of n here, is 9. So median in this case will be equal to, when the number of observations are odd, so median will be n plus 1 by 2 observation. So that is n plus 1, n here is 9, so 9 plus 1, 10 by 2 observation, that is fifth observation is our median. So if you can see here, our fifth observation is 32. So median in this case is equal to 32. So now if 25 is replaced, now the second part, 25 is replaced with 52. So if 25 is replaced with 52, so definitely after replacing 25 by 52, we need to arrange those observations. So now if in that case if we arrange, what we'll get is 19, 30, 31, 32, 35, 48, 51 and 52 will come here in the ascending order, and then 59, because 25 is replaced by 52. Again the number of observations are 9, that is odd. So median again will be equal to n plus 1 by 2 observation. So that is 10 by 2 observation or fifth observation. Now fifth observation is our median. Now the fifth observation has changed. So it will our new fifth observation is 35 in the ascending order. So in this case the median will become now 35. So this is the way to solve the question on median. And now we move on to the last part of this, that is mode. So mode is generally, how to find out the mode is by whatever the observation is given. So mode will the method to find out the mode is that the observation with the highest frequency is known as the mode. Like if I take any example, like if I taken the observations as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and frequencies accordingly I have taken as, let's say, 6, 8, 9, 11, 2. So mode in this case will be, you can say that the particular observation with the highest frequency. As you can see, the highest frequency here is 11 and it is for the observation 8. So mode in this case will be equal to the observation with the highest frequency, that is 8. So in this way we need to find out the mode. So this is the method to find out the mode. And this mode is generally used in some type of industry, like in the ready-made garment industries, or in the or you can say the shopkeeper of the ready-made garment shopkeeper generally uses to find out the mode, because mode is actually used to find out the size of the dress material which is frequently used or which is frequently purchased by the customer. So the size which is frequently purchased or which is having the highest frequency is actually the, you can say, the average for that particular garment shop. So accordingly, the owner of the garment shop would necessarily be order for those type of size of the garment which has the maximum frequency, or which is actually purchased maximum number of times by the customers. So in this way, the mode is also very useful in certain type of industries, in certain cases. So in that cases, it is not necessarily to find out the mean or median, because it may be the possibility that if you can see the in the garment shop also only, that the shopkeeper will find out the mean in that case. So sometimes it will be the possibility that mean will be decimal, like 32.5. So it is not possible for them to order a garment of size 32.5, because 0.5 size of garments are not available in the market. It may be like 30, 32, 34. This even number sizes, or sometimes the odd number sizes are also available, but it can be a whole number. So to find out the mean in that case, or sometimes the median is also not very useful. So in those cases, we need to find out the mode, that is the size of the garment which has the highest frequency. So it will be easier for the shopkeeper to find out the average size which is purchased by the customer. So accordingly, he will order those number of sizes more, and accordingly those number of sizes will be taken by the customer, and this will help them to increase the sales of the shopkeeper. So sometimes it is important to find out the mode also. So mode is also very useful in some cases. Now we'll see one example on mode, and we'll see how to find out the mode in that case. Example given as like 110, 120, 130, 120, 110, 140, 130, 120, 140 and 120. So these are the observations given, and accordingly we need to find out the mode in this case. So accordingly you see what is the frequency of the different observation. So if you can see, the frequency of the observation 110 will be equal to 110. 10 is appearing 2 times, so frequency here is 2 of 110. If you see of 120, it is appearing 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. The frequency of 120 is 4. Accordingly, frequency of 130 is 2, and frequency of 140 is again 2. So first we need to find out the frequencies of the observations. So accordingly, on the basis of that, we can tell that which observation has the highest frequency, and accordingly what will be the mode. So if you can see here that observation 120 has the highest frequency, that is 4. So mode in this case will be equal to 120. So this is our answer. So this is the way to find out the mode. And one more important thing we can see here is also, that is the relationship between mean, median and mode. If you can see in the case of mean, median, mode, if you find out that suppose observations are given and if you are finding out the mean, median and mode, so definitely the most accurate value that you will get is from mean. So the most accurate value of the average you get from mean, afterward it is from median, and last it is from mode. Because why you are not getting the more accurate value in case of mode is because you are considering only the particular observation which is having the highest frequency in case of mode. But in case of mean, you are considering all the observations. So that's why the most accurate value will get in mean. But as we have already discussed, that sometimes it is beneficial to find out the median or mode instead of mean. And most importantly, like in some question it is also given, like mean or median is given and you need to find out the mode of the observations, or median or mode given, we need to find out the mean. So in this case, we use this relationship between mean, median and mode to find out the value of any one of these if the other two are given. So this relationship is mode is equal to 3 times of median minus 2 times of mean. So this is the relationship between mean, median, mode. So if any two of these are given, we can easily find out the third by using this relationship. And this formula or relationship is known as the empirical formula. Empirical formula. So this is the relationship between mean, median and mode.